Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert kg to gram in a Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then issue the Excel document from the convert from kg to gram. Now for click. Now keyboard press from the equal and type from the convert. Now keyboard press from the first bracket. Now select from the first menu. Now keyboard press from the comma and double quotation. Type from the kg and again double quotation. Now again comma. Now again double quotation. Now press from the Z and double quotation close. Now first bracket close. Now keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Then mark from the letter. Now keyboard press from the control on. Now click for the general option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show the convert from the kg to gram in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.